Hello students, standard 6th. In chapter 11, we started exercise 11.5. Question 1 was completed. Now in question 2, a table is given in which in first column there is an equation, in second column the value of variable is given. Then you have to fill the third column, that is the equation satisfied by that value or not. So what you can do the verbally, you can put the value given in the equation and check whether it satisfies the equation or not. And if it is satisfying, you can write down yes. Not satisfied, you have to write down no. So I am giving you this in homework. So let's start with question number 3. Pick out the solution. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. So that the other values do not satisfy the equation. So here different equations are given, and next to the equation in bracket some values, 4 values of the variable are given. You have to choose the correct value which satisfies, or it is the solution, and we have to show the thing that the other values does not satisfy the equation. So we will find the values on the LHS, and if it is equal to RHS, that will be solution, otherwise it is not. So first is 5m equals to 60, and values given are 10, 5, 12 and 15. So one by one we will take the values of m from the bracket and check whether it is LHS and RHS are equal or not. So first take m is equal to 10. So LHS is equal to 5m is equal to 5 to 10 is equal to 50 is not equal to RHS. So it does not satisfy the equation. Only when the LHS and RHS will be equal, means LHS value will be 60, then only it can be. Second one is take m is equal to 5. So LHS is 5m is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25, which is also not equal to RHS. Therefore, it does not satisfy the equation. The third value is 12. Take m is equal to 12. So now LHS 5m, there is 5 multiplied by 12, 12 paisa is 60, and RHS is also 60, is equal to RHS. Therefore m equals 12 is the solution of equation. Similarly, check the third one, fourth one. Take, what is the last value of it given? 15. So LHS is 5m is 5 times 15. 15 5s are 75. Is also not equal to RHS. Therefore, it does not satisfy the equation. So, at the next to the equation, the four values are given for the variables, and we have to check which of them satisfy, which of them does not satisfy, and then write down the answer like that. Let us take number C. B you will do for homework. Number C is P minus 5 equals 5. And the values given are 0, 10, 5 and minus 5. So one by one we will check. First one, take P equals 0, because here the variable is P. So now LHS, P minus 5 means 0 minus 5, that is minus 5, which is not equal to RHS, because RHS is 5, is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it does not satisfy the equation. Second, take P equals 10. So what is LHS? P minus 5. Value of P we have to take as 10. So 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And here RHS is also 5. Is equal to RHS. Therefore, P equals 10 is a solution of the equation. Third one, take P is equal to 5. So LHS is P minus 5, that is 5 minus 5, which is 0. Also not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not a solution of equation. And last, P equals minus 5. So now LHS is P minus 5, that is minus 5 minus 5. That becomes minus 10. Also not equal to RHS. Therefore it does not satisfy the equation. So now I think the others are very simple. So the remaining of question 2, question 3, you will do it in the homework, because it is very simple. Just take the different values, find the LHS. If LHS and RHS are equal, then it is a solution. Otherwise, it does not satisfy the equation. Now, fourth question. In fourth question, given that in the first one, complete the table and By inspection of the table, find the solution to the equation m plus 10 equals 16. So here the equation is m plus 10 is equal to 16. Now in the table the values of m, and according to that we have to find the values of m plus 10 and then check which is the solution of the equation. So here it is very simple. One by one we will take the value of m and find the value of m plus 10. Means we just have to add 10 to it. So first m is equal to 1. Then m plus 10 is 1 plus 10. What is 1 plus 10? 11. So here it will be 11. Then for m is equal to 2. 2 plus 10 it will be 12. For m equals 3. 3 plus 10 that is 13. For m equals 4. 4 plus 10 is 14. Then for m is equal to 5. 5 plus 10 is 15. For m is equal to 6. M plus 10 that is 6 plus 10 that is 16. Then for m is equal to 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. Then 8 plus 10 is 18. 9 plus 10 is 19. 10 plus 10 is 20 and so on. Now we can't go on and on and on, because we already get the value here. You can see that 16 is here for the value of m as 6. So here m equal to 6 satisfies the equation m plus 10 equals 16. Therefore, m equals 6 is the solution to the equation, which is equation m plus 10 equals 16. Here we will take the C, third one. There are 4 here, A, B, C, D. A and C we are taking. B and D will be in the homework. So in C also given the same thing. Complete the table and find the solution of the equation z upon 3 equals 4 using the table. So here also the values of z are given and we have to find the values of z upon 3. Few values are already given also here. For the value 8, they have given 2 integer 2 by 3. Other value 9 is also given. The value of z by 3 is 3. Third one is also given 3 integer 1 by 3. Now from 11 we have to find. So now if you can't do verbally, you can show the method. For z is equal to 11, LHS is z upon 3, that is 11 upon 3. We can convert it into the mixed form. 3 3s are 9, 3 integer, so 2 upon 3. So at 11 you write down 3 integer 2 upon 3. Now take 12. For Z is equal to 12. LHS is Z upon 3, that is 12 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. So here we get 4. Then for 13, for Z is equal to 13, LHS Z upon 3, 13 upon 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 integer 1 upon 3. So you get 4 integer 1 upon 3. For the 14, now actually it is not necessary to go onwards. Why? Because we already get the value 4 here. So it's not necessary to go on and on because there will be no other solution. So we can write down here Z is equal to which one satisfies 12? Satisfies the equation. Therefore, Z is equal to 12 is the solution to the equation Z upon 3 equals 4. And as I told you, B and D of this one are in the homework. And in the question 5, there is a riddle. There are some riddles. Try to construct the riddles also. Try to get the answer and try to make some more riddles also. So here we are having at the end of the chapter and today's session also, followed by the PDF file. And if any confusion, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.